In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice. Zoho Books. If you're billing a client for products or services, a clear, well-formatted invoice makes all the difference, and Zoho Books keeps the process straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently create and send your invoice without missing a thing. Start by heading to the top right of your Zoho Books screen, where you'll see a plus icon. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Invoices. This opens the invoice creation form, which is where you'll fill in all the details. You'll begin by selecting the customer for this invoice. Use the search to find the right contact and make sure the invoice is addressed to the correct person or company. Choosing the correct customer ensures that the billing and contact details populate properly, helping you avoid typos and mismatched information later. Next, set your invoice number. Most businesses follow a simple numbering pattern, like sequential numbers or a format with a prefix. Consistency is key here because it helps you stay organized and makes future tracking and reporting simpler. Then, choose the invoice date. Many people use today's date, but if you've agreed to bill on the date services were completed, select that. The date you pick can affect when payment is expected, so make sure it aligns with your usual terms and your client's expectations. Now, add your items. Select the products or services you're billing for, enter the quantities, and confirm the rates. Clear descriptions help your client understand exactly what they're paying for and reduce back and forth later. Double-check amounts and totals before moving on. If you bill by time or project milestones, make sure those details are reflected in the line items and descriptions you choose. When everything looks right, you have two choices. Click Save if you want to keep the invoice on file and review it later, or choose Save and Send to deliver it to your customer right away. Save and Send will email the invoice to the selected contact, which is great if you're ready for the client to receive and act on it immediately. And there you go. You've created your invoice in Zoho Books. Before wrapping up, take a moment to proofread the customer name, invoice number, dates, item details, and totals. Those small checks help you avoid delays and keep your records clean. That's all. Simple, efficient, and ready to help you get paid faster.